we're going to make another problem here. So problem number 10, determine whether a vector is monotonically increasing. So the statement is return true if the elements of the input vector increase monotonically. So each element is larger than the previous. Return false otherwise. And they are giving us two examples where one is working because the numbers keep increasing as we keep going. And another example where since the values are the same, uh, it is considered that they are not monotonically increasing. So the answer is gonna be false. Okay. First, we're gonna have the length of the vector. So we know how big the vector is gonna be. And with that, we can know how many iterations we are gonna make. For example, for I equals 1, true. Let's say j minus 1 because it's gonna be from the first until the second to last value of the vector. What are we gonna make? Not a for, I guess an if input or an if command. If x1 I is bigger than x1 I plus 1, what is gonna happen? Let's say we're gonna create parameter which is gonna be trigger. So trigger is gonna change if something that we don't want to happen happens. So what is happening here? If this happens, oh, well, you can make it like this because they are saying that if the values are the same, it's also incorrect. If this happens, which is what we don't want to happen, trigger is going to change to 1. If this never happens, it's going to stay at 0. Okay, so if it's monotonically increasing, trigger is going to end as a 0 during all this iteration. But if at any moment the value is less than or less equal than the previous value, so it's not monotonically increasing, trigger is going to change. And then if trigger equals 0, then TF is going to be true. Otherwise, TF is going to be false. That's it. This should be the answer. Okay, that's it.